It's indeed a very bizarre time for markets, and it certainly sparked off very powerful debates regarding, does this rotation have legs? Evangelists are referring to this period as a dawn of a new era because the rotation, which was very strong on Monday especially, is really referring to a cocktail of economic growth, inflation, value versus growth. And on the value versus growth dynamic, quite amazing that Monday was actually the best day in value versus growth in 20 years. So, the big debate is around what next? Will this continue? Is there enough strength in terms of a backdrop of COVID stats for it to continue? And I actually think it's very important to understand the context of markets before this news came out on Monday. And this is rather extraordinary because prior to Monday, so markets last week, take the S&P. The S&P was up 10% on the year. The S&P was actually close to its all-time high. 10% is actually a normalized annualized return of the S&P since inception around the 1950s. How can it be that we are at normalized rates of return for a stock market index amidst the greatest recession in living memory, amidst COVID stats which are not necessarily getting better? How can that be? And answering that question first is pretty paramount to having a view on where markets go from here. And it's what I like to call the superpower effect. The fact that policymakers have pulled out all the superpowers to prevent a financial catastrophe.